Thokozani Sanbonani. Today I would like to I've decided to cover this part in English, but I will use both English and isiZulu so that everyone will understand the message that I'm trying to pass. Today I would like to speak, or I would like to talk about the signs of being a sangoma or being a prophet or a psychic or anything. So what are those signs? Number one, you will dream of numbers like repeated numbers like 111, 444 and stuff. Number two, you will feel like when you are sleeping you will be shaking, and you don't like to speak a lot. You like to spend some time alone. Number three, you will wake up early in the morning like 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Those times, it's when the spirit have powers. It's when you need to pray by those times, like 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. It's when there is a strong connection, or there is a strong bond between you and your ancestors. So you must use those time to communicate with them. Number four or number five, you will experience a headache a lot, and whether you try to use them, the painkillers or not, the headache could be the same. There will be no changes. Number six, in most of the time when you wake up in the morning, you will feel lonely. Sometimes you'll feel heartbroken. Sometimes you'll feel like you are very poor. Like you will feel like there is no one that like you, there is no one that is care about you. That's a special feeling that you will feel every day in the morning when you wake up, when you have the spiritual callings, when you have a sangoma spirit, when you have a prophetic spirit, or whether a psychic. Those are the signs. Sometimes when we are sitting alone, you'll feel like someone is calling your name. You will hear the voices. Those are the signs, guys. Those are the signs. Sometimes you can see your future in your dreams. You can dream about your future. You can see yourself in 10 years. Like, those are the signs, guys. I'm not good in English, so please, guys, forgive me. My English is broken. I'm trying to accommodate everyone. Okay, sometimes when we have a sangoma calling or ubizo lobungoma, in most of the time you will dream yourself doing those, you see those sangoma dances. You will see yourself throwing those bones, checking people's life using those bones. That is the sign showing you that you have the sangoma, or sangoma calling ubizo. Then if you have a prophetic gift, you will dream yourself in school. Sometimes you will be learning. Sometimes you will be dreaming of different Zionic, let me call it gears. You dream yourself of Zionic clothing. You will dream of the different candles. You will see yourself praying in the dreams. You will see yourself singing. You will see yourself going to church. Those are the signs showing you that you have a prophetic or psychic gift. The other one, Hey, you can say when someone is telling lie, I'm telling you, you can sense it. You can sense when someone is telling lie, or whether someone is telling truth. You can sense it. You can sense a good or bad person, even if you are meeting for the first time. Your instinct will be telling you what this person is a bad person. Then, eh, if like when someone is not good, or when someone is not in a good space, you'll be able to pick up or to sense their emotion when you're around them. For example, when someone is angry, when someone is depressed, you'll be able to sense those emotions. You will feel their pain when they are sick. When someone is having a headache, you will feel that headache when you're around them. Okay, and if someone is gossiping about you, you can easily see that in your vision, even before it happens. That those are the signs, guys. Those are the signs. Don't ignore them. Someone can easily be affected by other sickness. You can like easily affected, as I mentioned, which when someone is experiencing headache, you can feel those headaches. You can experience those stomach ache. Another sign, sometimes you feel tinglings on your toes and on your fingers. You feel tingling sensation on your hair. Sometimes you have a burning feet or burning hands. Sometimes your hands are sweat. You'll be sweating and your feet will be sweating. Yo, guys, I can't. The English is too much. I can't speak English. Mina ngumZulu, guys. So I think I've covered. Oh, another sign. You don't like visitors. You don't like them at all. Sometimes you feel like you are being targeted the enemies all the time. Sometimes I don't know how to call ovalo in English, but sometimes you shall ovalo. Yeah, well, you know those things. Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi I've tried, guys. I've tried to come to accommodate all of you. Mntwana wethongo omncanyana usakhula, nina besilo, nina bendlovu enamandla, sengehlela ngezansi. Ngiyathokoza.